This is Rajesh. Hi, I am Rajesh. Rajesh was a pupil of the second class. His school was a mile away from his house. One morning, when he was about to leave for school, it started raining. Rajesh had a new shirt. He was proud of it. He wanted to put it on that day and go to school. His mother said, "It is raining now. Do not put it on the new shirt. It may get wet and dirty." But Rajesh said, "Do let me wear it, mother. I shall see that it does not get dirty. May I take father's umbrella with me?" He very much wished to go out that day with his new shirt on. His mother said, "There will be no school today. Do not go out in the rain." But Rajesh said, "We have test in English today. I must go to school." His mother put on his new shirt and take his father's umbrella. Rajesh went out with his umbrella in his right hand and his bag of books in his left. He saw a tractor coming behind him, ran to the left side of the street. Suddenly he slipped and fell. His dress got wet and dirty. Luckily, his books did not get wet because they were inside the bag. But he could not go to school with his wet and dirty dress. Just then, he saw his friends coming from the school. They stopped by his side. One of his friends by name Suresh asked, "Why are your clothes so wet and dirty? What is the matter with you?" Rajesh did not like to answer his question. He asked, "Is there no school today?" "No, you may go home and change your clothes," said his friend Suresh.